Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for old Ramjet right here in Kentucky on the RCI 69 Base Plus. Ramjet, we got you ready to go. You wanted a basic tune and alignment and Toshiba regulator, and we did just that. So we're going to start with RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. I set it 3 watts all the way down in case you decide to run like a 6 or bigger with it. And right at 30 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 55 bird. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello. 123 PEP. Ramjet, this thing is ready to rock and roll, man. Look forward to hearing you on the airwaves with it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.